Right now, we're standing in Dorset, Lilliput, right by the sea with harbour views. I've just got out of the car, followed you down, no idea how much it's on the market for, so we're gonna guess. I'm also gonna guess the rent and the value. So thank you so much for showing us around. Let's go, enjoy the tour.
I love the look of it.
It's interesting because it's got like very modern vibes, but also homely.
100%, they've done it so tastefully, haven't they? But this street, like, it's one of the most exclusive cul-de-sacs in Lilliput.
Yeah.
Because you just get so much privacy. Right, where should we begin?
How many bedrooms has this house got then?
4 that they're using. But obviously you've got a potential 5th.
Reminds me a little bit of our house back in Beaconsfield. Yeah,
It's very much a
nice.
family home, so they've literally configured it just that way.
The interesting thing about this house is it genuinely would be a home from home, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would.
Yeah, because how many square footage is this, did you say? Or?
It's about 4,800 square feet.
Right, so it's big space.
And it's so quiet, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, main living space.
Man, that is ridiculous.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
So you get a lot more action on the harbour. Obviously in the sea you see the boats and you've got obviously the beach, but there's so much more action. You'll see the most insane sunsets here. Pool Quay is obviously that direction, so you'd see the fireworks as well from here. You'd have your own firework display.
Oh, wow.
This is the cinema stroke yoga room.
That is gorgeous.
Damn. This is my boxing room, isn't it, in here? Yeah. Forget yoga, it's all about boxing.
So just through here,
Wow.
you've got like pantry.
That's where I'd lose you, Amanda.
Yeah, this is the kind
Yeah,
of...
the secret
Oh
cupboard.
my gosh, that's so cool. Oh, I love that.
This is where you'd keep the snacks that I'm not allowed.
Yeah.
This would be the chef's domain, right? So it doesn't end down here. You have got the gym area.
Oh, so there's an actual
Oh,
gym?
gym.
Wow.
Oh, wow. A yoga room and a gym room.
I know.
So Sandbanks, obviously you get the morning sun to lunchtime. Obviously Harbour side, you get sunset.
You see the sun? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's interesting because we've never really considered harbour view, have we?
No, we haven't.
We've always gone for the beach.
I mean, just look at the water
Oh, it's,
and the yachts. Oh.
yeah, this house is surreal. I don't think I've ever seen a garden that's got so much sea view.
The principal suite is just, if you look up, you've got that
you've got
terrace.
balcony.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
It's going to be a really hard one to guess, this one.
So principal suite here.
Oh, look
That's
at
what we were
that.
looking up at in the garden.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that
This is something else.
is just incredible.
Doesn't it feel like the most luxury hotel?
Yeah.
Yeah. Feels like a getaway. Wow.
This kind of area majorly appeals to people that want privacy.
Yeah.
That's why a lot of people that are here full time, you know, they maybe start on Sandbanks and then gravitate to Camphor Cliffs and
Do
Lilliput
that.
because look how private this is.
We value privacy a lot, don't we? Our house is really private.
See, that's why it's so important, right? When you've got more of a lock up and leave and you're only here 4 times a year,
Yeah.
you can then consider less square footage if you wanted to be on the beach, but it really depends what you want.
So room 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4.
And then that office could convert.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's got the ensuite, hasn't it, as well? It's got an ensuite shower room. And then you've got another bedroom here, backing onto the water.
Even the kids got their own balcony.
Wow, it's lovely.
When you check up on the kids, you just come out on your balcony and look around. Yep, they're sleeping. It feels a bit green as well, doesn't it? Like all the hills and that around here. It's quieter, a lot quieter. And I even like the books. Atomic Habits. Great book. See, you want to live in a house like this, you got to get the habits to make the money to be able to afford a house like this.
How are you feeling about Lilliput now? Is it changing your perception?
Yeah.
This house, you could live here permanent, couldn't you?
Definitely.
It's not even quite got holiday home vibes. It's more just home.
It's home, yeah.
Isn't it? Whereas our house in Chelsea Glen, we wouldn't live there permanently. But this is true home from home, isn't it? So why do people like being on the beach so much more than the harbour?
I think it's a personal thing.
Yeah.
It really is. Like with your lifestyle, I get why you love the beach, like
Yeah.
Sandbanks Beach so much. I totally get it. But equally, there's some people that don't want to be there. They want to be here. It's a lifestyle situation.
Oh man, now we're gonna have to guess then, babe. I'm gonna guess that the rent on this would be around about 15.
On the money.
Really?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna guess that the sale price, 6 mil.
You are so close. I can't believe it.
What is it?
5.7.
No way. High five.
5.7.
Wow.
So 5.7 million, and they're
Yeah.
looking for about 15K.
If they rented it, yeah, it wouldn't be a penny less than 15.
So there we have it, folks. I'm lost for words. It's very rare you'll see me lost for words. If you want to see more house tour videos, luxury houses, let us know by liking the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna leave Laila's details in the description below. Maybe you want to rent a house like this, or maybe even this one. We'll see. That's if you can beat us to it. Let us know in the comments.